Friends, today we are here to know the Paleolithic Old Stone Age. In 1930, naming the culture, dividing the manner of component of a stage. In this context, Paleolithic Old Stone Age comes first. It was an age of hunting and food gathering culture. Gabriel de Montilet, a French investigator, started naming the culture, dividing the manner of component of a stage. In this context, Paleolithic Old Stone Age comes first. It was an age of hunting and food gathering culture. Paleo means old and lithic means stone. For this, it is called Paleolithic, which is divided into three phases: lower, middle, and upper Paleolithic culture. First, lower Paleolithic age, 5 lakh to 1 lakh BC. It covers the greater part of the Ice Age. The people were wanderer. They did not know how to grow food. They used to eat fruit, bird, and raw animal flesh, etc. The tools were usually made of hard rocks, quartzite, and therefore the man of Paleolithic age is called quartzite man. For hunting, they use hand axe, cleavers, flax, and choppers of irregular shape. Fossil of Homo erectus from Hathnora, Narmada basins of this age has been found. This age is represented by Shohan cultures now in Pakistan. Important site of the lower Paleolithic age: Sohan Valley, Punjab; Belen Valley, Mizoram; Narmada Valley, Madhya Pradesh; Digwani, Rajasthan; Bhimbetka, MP; Singauli Basin, UP; Chota Nagpur, Jharkhand; Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and in whole India except Sindh, Kerala. Middle Paleolithic age, from 1 lakh to 40,000 BC. It was an age of flake, a bite change in the shape of tools made of stone or bones is remarked. Now they started using blades, pointer, and scrapers made of flax. Still, they had no house to live in. They live under the rock, in cave, and whole tree trunk. They were afraid of wild creatures. Important site: Bankura and Purulia, West Bengal; Nevasa, Nodur, Mahabaleshwar, Sargon, and Nivasa, Maharashtra; Malprabha and Ghatprabha Basin, Karnataka; Narmada Valley, etc. In Bhimbetka, MP, 2,000 rock shelters, caves, and thousands of paintings have been traced, which are the Middle Paleolithic age, like Escaper and boar cultures. Upper Paleolithic age, 40,000 to 10,000 BC. In this period, human lives as a nomadic hunter-gatherer, and the traces of Homo sapiens have been discovered. Rock painting and carvings have been found in the Bhimbetka and reflect art and rituals of this period. The name comes toward eastern part of India. We have so many places from whether the microlith, fairly large and prepared on block stone, have been discovered. Burdwan, Purulia, Bankura, West Bengal, Keonjhar, Sundargarh, and Kuchai in Odisha, and Chota Nagpur in Jharkhand, and Sahargigi in Meghalaya are the important sites of these locations. In south, 11 microlithic clusters have been found in the Tinnevelly district of Tamil Nadu. 25 microlith sites are reported in the area between the Krishna and Bhima rivers in the Sorapur